Hi everyone, welcome to Code Levelers. So, again we are going to solve the problem of the day. Now, today's problem is 1813 Sentence Similarity 3. Okay, it is a medium problem. Okay, now you are given two strings, sentence 1 and sentence 2. Okay, each representing a sentence composed of words. A sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space with no leading or tailing spaces. Each word consists of only uppercase and lowercase English characters. Okay, no symbols. So, two sentences S1 and S2 are considered similar if it is possible to insert an arbitrary sentence, possibly empty. Okay, inside one of these sentences such that two sentences becomes equal. Note that the inserted sentence must be separated from existing words by spaces. Alright. Okay. For example, S1 is equal to hello Jane and S2 is equal to hello my name is Jane. So it can be made equally by inserting my name is okay in between hello and Jane into the S1. Okay, so and once again on another example S1 where S1 is equal to frog cool and S2 is equal to frogs are cool. So okay, so they are not similar because um, this frogs and this frog are not equal. So and the starting word is not equal to the starting word of S2. So no words can be inserted in between. Okay, inserted in between, so they are not similar. Okay, given two sentences S1 and sentence 1 and sentence 2 return true if sentence 1 and sentence 2 are similar, otherwise return false. Okay, so as I explained in this example follow this same for them. Okay, so okay, I missed this part. Eating right now and eating, these two sentences are similar. Okay, because as you see these two have the same suffix. Okay, so they are true. Okay, so the constraints are just good, fine. Okay, let's just hop into the topics. Arrays, two pointers, strings, fine. Okay, so I think we can just go into the code. Okay, so okay, fine, let's start the code. So for checking word by word, I am going to use this string word sen1. I will do this. Sen1 is equal to sen1 dot split of we are going to use this by spaces because sentence contains spaces between them. Words contain spaces between them in a sentence, so I am doing this, and then once again I am going to do the same here in sentence 2. Sentence 1, sentence 2 dot split. Okay, now think I should create another one for checking the prefix and suffix. Okay, the starting and the ending. Okay, this one is for start, from starting, start, that is the prefix. Okay, that is the prefix. Going to get a value here, prefix length. All right, or just or simply TP, find LCP of words 1 comma words 2, or let's say this as words 1 because of the sentence 1 and then sentence 2. Okay, I just confused this with that. So again I am going to from end, that is the suffix. Okay, now guys, before I am starting this video I should have mentioned that don't confuse this problem with a pattern matching. Okay, because how should I say it, because the similarity between the pattern matching and this problem is, um, this problem uses LCP, okay, longest common prefix, as in the pattern matching we use in KMP, Knuth Morris pattern, but we are just creating the common segments between two list of words, not pattern searching in here. Okay, we are just going to basically return true or false. So and in this processing phase is like there is no pre-processing like LPS, instead it's a straightforward comparison. So okay, we are not directly using it. Okay, so and from both the ends we are just detecting for similarization, for insertion. So don't confuse it guys, this is just an ordinary two pointers problem. Okay, so now this operates by sliding the pattern. Okay, so let's continue this problem. And again I to use yes for suffix, find LCS of sen1 comma sen2. All right, now let's create a functions. Okay, for returning the prefix into find LCP of this string sen1 comma string sen2. Okay, string sen1 string sen2, and then going to initialize a value of 5 to count okay, to find the length of the common prefixes. Okay, so iterate, we are going to iterate both the arrays to find the common prefix. Iterate through the both arrays. So we are going to use a while loop, while of I less than words, sorry, once again I missed words 1 instead of sen1 dot length, and words 1 dot length and Send1 dot length should be no send1 of 0 no send1 dot, what should I say? I think I am going to use we can use a comparator, right? Like what should we say? Like equals function to equals, like equals of inbuilt function, okay, because we can use it easily. Send2 this one, I think words 1 of send1 of I and send2 of I, okay. So if they are equal, we are going to increment the ith value. Okay, now once again we are going to return the ith value, returning I. Okay, so why are we doing this? My idea is to let's say my game, this is S1 and my life is a game, okay. So now my and this my, we are going to check for, so index 0 is equal to index 0, so continue the iteration. Now index 1 is not equal to index 1. Why? Because game is not equal to life. So we are breaking the loop and returning the ith value as 1. So and then once again for the suffix, private int find LCS of string send1 comma string send2 and again we are going to use another variable int j is equal to 0, and now from backwards, okay. So we are going to use the same while loop. J less than words once again send1 dot length, okay, send1 dot length, and again I am going to check for send1 of, okay, I am just going to use it from backwards, so I am going to initialize the value n, where n is equal to the I am going to create two, n1 for this send1, okay, send1 dot length gt h, okay, length, and int n2 is equal to send2 dot length, okay, -1 and -1, okay. So -1, no, I am not going to use that in here, okay. N1 minus I dot equals of sin2 of n2 minus I. Okay, so from backwards, so we are going to check game is equal to game, as you see in the above example. This game and this game are same, and once again we have a, we are going to check if a and my are same. No, they are not equal, so the value is equal to 1 here. I value sorry, j value is equal to 1. So okay, j plus plus, okay, we are going to return j value, return j. Okay, so find LCS, fine. Okay, now I just need to ensure that this returns a value true or false. It will return boolean value, so I am going to return so like my idea is we need to check if the matched words from the prefix and suffix, that is the length, covers the any one of these values, right? P or S. Oh, sorry, this sentence 1 length or sentence 2 length, okay, and the number of words should cover any of these values, okay, because let me write and show down my game and my life is game, my life is a game, because even if I get two values, one I get one from prefix and two from suffix, okay, I got two, one from prefix and two from suffix, and again one for this one and another for this one, and this and the total value is equal to 2, which is equal to the size of the sentence 1, that is my game. Okay, so I am going to write a condition here to check whether the above condition satisfied. So the prefix value we got, the prefix value we got and the suffix value we got should be greater than should be equal to, okay, should be equal to sen1 dot length. So let's just hope this works. We are getting an error here, minus I, okay, it should be j and again j. So let's just run this again. Index bound of index out of bounds. Oh, okay, because okay, I just made a mistake here, guys, because n1's length is 2 and n2's length is now I am considering this example, this one is 2, 1 2 3 4 5 and the n2 is 5, because if 2 minus this value, that is j, 2 minus j is equal to 2, and 5 minus j, that is 0, is equal to 5, because there is no index in the array. You know that, right? There is no sen1 of 2 or 5. Okay, it is not possible. That's why it's calling that function. This is not possible, so that's why it is an out of bound index error. So I'm going to use a -1 here and -1 here. So now let's just run this again. So once again I'm getting an error. Why the line 17? So sentence 1 dot length. So okay, sentence 1. Wait, I want to check this again. My name is Haley. My Haley. Okay, inserting one skin. Soft level separated by single spaces. 200. Okay, sentence 2 can be at the right end. I think that because the size can be changing, right? Because at times sen1 can be greater than sen2, or sen2 can be greater than sen1, right? So I should be defining a condition here. Why this is not possible? Oh, I think we can just look into the comments. Good old description is unclear. Can you see medium level? Super. That's what I accept today. LMAO. Cases. Painful. Oh. Shortest string is the beginning of the longest string. The shortest string is at the end of the longest string. Okay, there is an insertion in the middle of the shortest string, which makes it becomes largest string. Oh, okay. I think so. There should be one longer string and one shorter string, right? So I'm getting an idea here. Let's just try this. Okay, I'll just write in this here. So guys, there should be a longer and shorter string, right? So I am getting an idea here. Now I am going to just swap both the both the sentences, that is this string arrays. Okay, it's as the long one and a short one. So I am going to consider word 1 as a shorter sentence and word 2 as a longer sentence. Okay, so in that way it can be easier. That is the sen1 dot length is greater than sen2 dot length. Okay, if it is greater, we are going to swap string temp t is equal to sen1 and sen1 is equal to sen2 and sen2 is equal to what, t, right? Okay, now let's just run this again. String can be converted. Oh, okay, this is an array, right? So swapping the array. It worked, thank god. So let's just submit this code. Hope this works. Oh my god, wrong answer. Oh god, what is this error? But guys, we got 123 test cases passed and 138 test cases out of 138 test cases. And let's just to check this one. Okay, now I think should be equal to. For me the output is 3 since when this happened. Okay, I think if I just because okay, I am getting it, because one value and 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 one value, okay, which is equal to 6, right? There's no need to be insertion, then they are similar, right? Guys, getting it. Since from prefix I get value 3 and suffix I get a value 3, so I think even if a value 6 is greater than the sen 1, okay, I should return it true, right? I should return it false when it is lesser than, okay, when it is lesser than sen 1, so there's no need to be problem. So I'm going to change the condition here, greater than or equal to sen 1, right? Okay, let's just submit this again. Hope this works. Okay guys, we got this complexity of this code. I think this one's complexity is, I just split the sentences which takes big O of n1 for the first sentence, okay, for the sentence, and big O of n2 for the second sentence, and I just found the longest common prefix here, which is the minimum length of word 1 and word 2, okay, that is the sentence 1 and sentence 2. And once again the for the LCS, sentence 1 and sentence 2, again the minimum length, okay, and I just check if the total number matches so it takes the time complexity of both the n1 and n2, okay, big O of n1 plus n2, okay guys. So I think you had fun watching my tutorial, sorry, my problem solving skill. Okay guys, try to code LeetCode daily or in any other platform like Geek for Geeks, Hacker Rank. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, goodbye until then, bye bye.